Hi ladies, I'm Andrea, a homeschooling mom of 4, 2 have graduated, and I have been homeschooling for 15 years. Today I will be sharing homeschooling tips for beginners and how you can homeschool with living books. Some states have tighter regulations and will require you to use only certain approved curriculum and require you to keep a portfolio of your students' work and test scores to be submitted to a professional evaluator. And some states will require you to comply with in-home visits by the state officials. So it's very good to learn what your state's laws are ahead of time if you can. But if you've already started homeschooling, check the HSLDA website. There's a section on tips explaining how to withdraw your child from their current school and information about what subjects you are required to teach, how to meet the required teacher qualifications, and the website will let you know if you need to submit a notice of intent, if there are required amount of hours of instruction per year. It'll tell you how to keep attendance records and if you are required to do any kind of standardized testing for your children. There's also some suggestions for record keeping. If you decide to become a member, you'll have access to their attorneys who will defend you in case you encounter any legal challenges in your homeschool. And there's personalized homeschooling advice. Another nice thing about the HSLDA is they offer membership scholarships. So if you're a homeschooling parent who wants to join but you don't have the funds, you can ask for a scholarship. Let's connect in the comments below. Share tips to help new homeschoolers and build a community of book-loving homeschoolers. Definitely don't forget to subscribe to the channel and leave me a comment to let me know what future videos you would like to see.